Hi, good morning. We are here again, the two Filipino aunties, Ate Esper and I. Ate Esper now is going to make beef tapa, or you call it beef jerky. All right, so Ate Esper will show it to us.
Hi, good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to make the beef tapa. Beef tapa is a cured meat, either by drying or putting spices on it. I remember back home in the Philippines, my grandmom used to make a beef tapa, and it's so simple. She just put some salt on it and dry it under the sun, and that's it. That's a beef tapa. And it's so simple. And it's a way of preserving the meat also, especially those who don't have refrigerators back then. So, but then this morning, we have different spices in here. It's improved beef tapa. So first we have, I'll tell you about the ingredients. We have the 2.5 pounds of beef, which are sliced thinly. We have 1 head of garlic, which are chopped. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. 5 tablespoons of vinegar. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And this is something new. It's a 1 teaspoon of tamarind powder. And also to put a color on it, it's 2 teaspoons of annatto powder. And so it's so simple. We just mix, okay, the ingredients. And so we're gonna put the garlic. A teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of black pepper. We have the 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Vinegar, 5 tablespoons. And we have the 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We have the 2 spoons of tamarind powder. And we have the azuete powder. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix this well. I'm gonna get my gloves, okay? With all the spices I put in, and you're gonna put it aside later on in the refrigerator after mixing it. At least 3 hours you're gonna try to marinate it, or it's better if it's like overnight.
Okay. The longer.
Yeah, the longer you're gonna marinate it,
right?
yeah, so it's better. Okay, and that's so simple. So it's all mixed, and we're gonna let it marinate for like 3 hours, or it's better if it's like overnight. Then after that, we're gonna cook it and taste it, okay?
3 hours later.
And so after 3 hours, we're gonna get the meat that's in the fridge, and we're gonna cook it by frying. Okay, we're gonna put the cooking oil in the pan. Okay, here we go. This is beef tapa. You can cook it direct to the cooking oils. The others, they cook it with the marinade sauce because sometimes their beef is like tough, and so they have to boil it with some marinade sauce. But this one should be tender, and so we can just go cook it straight to the pan with the cooking oil. Okay, we don't have to cook everything, and the rest we can put it back in the refrigerator overnight, so that the longer it stays to be marinated, you could taste it better. Okay. Now we're gonna check it if it's cooked. We're gonna cook the other side. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, we're gonna taste it. We're gonna off it now. And so we're gonna be tasting it. Okay. Let's wipe this up. And here's the beef tapa. It's simple. And so after it's marinated overnight, you can put it in a separate Ziploc, and you can just cook each time that you need beef tapa. It's good for breakfast, and you can eat it also for lunch and dinner. Okay? So here's the finished product. It's a beef tapa. And we're gonna taste it. This will be for our lunch. Okay? Okay. So let's have lunch. Okay, with the beef tapa.
What kind of gun
Let's try it.
measures they can possibly get behind the president
Right?
called out Republicans.
The smell and the taste is really good. Yeah.
Powerful. For example, the Washington Post, he said that the
And
NRA
it's
has
tender.
less power
Yeah.
over camels, so it'll be very interesting to see.
How much more for tomorrow when it's
Joy.
marinated overnight? Will be good, right?
Thank you very
When
much.
it sits more in the fridge,
Yeah.
the longer it stays, the tastier.
Right, yeah.
To a hotel.
And we have
ahead of the Plan B.
string beans, and we have
President Trump just commenting on those talks just a short time ago. Listen.
We're having
tomatoes.
and a lot of things have already happened with respect to the hostages, and I think you're going to see very good all travel these trips is being scheduled. We now have a date, and we have locations.
With the restore.
Singapore,
The tomatoes.
joins us live. Hi, Greg.
Julie, that was a breaking development on this, and a couple of stories from President Trump. In his words, I think he was
It's over here. Over here.
he was referring to the American citizens held
Wanna try the okra? There's okra there too.
include Korean Americans, Kim Jong-chol, he received in
Okra.
2015, and
Same here.
Trump and Kim Sang-duk. They were taken last year. They confused
Tomatoes.
North Korea like spying.
Tomatoes.
After reports in the past couple of days, they've been moved from a labor camp ahead of their release. President Trump
See, he released them.
talks regarding their release. Also, follows last Friday's important summit between North Korean leader Kim Jong-un and South Korean President Moon Jae-in. The other major news, which you just heard from President Trump,
It's like,
is that a date and location for his summit.
so, it's lunch outside or come back here to eat lunch?
Sometimes here, sometimes not.
Possibility of location for the summit is about the same location as last Friday. That's the DMZ, that's the South Korea,
Okay.
and Singapore.
This will be better tomorrow because we have the South Korea. But that's taste already, right?
Very, very tasty.
Two final notes. One again from President Trump. He basically knocked
But if you
down
want
the
it,
report that was in the New York Times today.
you know, you can put cayenne powder,
Strength in South
or you can put
Korea.
chopped chili.
Claimed,
You know,
but he said,
you want, because others they want it hot.
and one
So you can ask that also.
Cayenne powder.
Cayenne powder. Sometimes I see them like chopping the chili.
That detainee release
Put it.
could have been really
So you can add if you want hot.
at the DMZ.
Well, no surprises, always keeping us on our toes. Thank you very much, Greg.
For more on the three American detainees and the possibility they could be released, let's look at White House
Baka pwede
Press
na
Secretary for George
i-stack
W.
yun.
Bush, Mark Fleischer. He is also a Fox News contributor.
Was it good? Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Tasty and tender. Very tender.
Yeah, and it's simple to make. Okay, and so continue watching our food recipe videos. Don't forget to share to your friends, your families, and don't forget to subscribe also. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.